Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Festival Fun and Beauty Big Bang XL-029. I've started off with Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone, and here is a Festival Fun. Love this polish. So I'm going to go in with my first coat now that my base coat's all dry, and I'm a junkie for the thermals, I'll admit it. So far I've been lucky, all of mine are still working when I pull them out, but I do highly recommend that when you're buying thermals, you make sure you like the color that it is in its natural state, because eventually that's what it's gonna be. They do stop working after time. I haven't had any do it to me yet, but... And here we go with our second coat of Festival Fun. It's going on a nice bright yellow in its warm state or room temperature state. When it gets cold, it turns orange. So I figured it'd be perfect for a Halloween manicure. I just keep overworking it. Hi Woody, how you doing? Okay, I've decided to go in for a third coat. I just didn't want to see any visible nail line. It's kind of my thing. You can kind of see maybe a little bit on the tips of the other nails. It's trying to change a little orange. I'm going to top it with this Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. Get it to dry down so that I can do some stamping. I am a stamping junkie from way back. There we go. Capping that free edge. Ta-da! And this is the Beauty Big Bang XL-029 and Braves Diva on the black. I've got my Conad stamper and my beauty scraper out today. I love this little image with the cat on top of the jack-o'-lantern. It's so cute. So here we go. I'll put that up right there on the nail, on that thumb. Perfect transfer. Beautiful. And I love this hand with the eyeballs. So we're just going to do 5 different images off of this plate. And I go to put it on my pointer finger and I noticed it's dented. And I tried to do the fix with it, but it didn't work out. I ended up having to clean that all the way off and start over. And these hands, these spooky hands, are just... I figured they would be perfect. They're just cute. I love some Halloween stuff. So I'm going to put that over that ring nail. And I'm going to go in and do a bit of cleanup with some tape. I do this to all the nails, but I'm not going to show you me doing it to all the nails today. Most of it's coming up with the tape, but not all of it. I don't know if I let it dry too long. I forgot to use my Burt's Bees, and this is the price you pay when you forget the Burt's Bees. Most of it's coming up though, it's not too bad. You can see that nail's naked. I'm going to have to repaint that rascal. So I decided to use these little spiders on my pinky nail. They're cute too. So far I like it. And now that I've got that other nail repainted, I'm going to use this cool image. It's like skull suckers and stuff. Skull suckers, that's funny. Skull lollipops. There we go. And it looks great on that nail. So, I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller. And I do always clean my plate off with pure acetone. And I tend to, you know, wipe it and then flip my cotton ball over and wipe it some more. And then I always like to finish it off with a rub down with a paper towel. I'll be using Nailtiques Smudge Free Top Coat today. Do not want to be smudging these images. Just want to seal them in. So there we go. And now that that is dry, I'm going to top it with Poshe Fast Drying Top Coat. So I have to admit, I really love this manicure, especially with the color change. And you know, that's what my opinion was. But I always love to hear your opinion. I would love to hear from you. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So leave me a comment down below, and we'll chat down there. There's that swatch photo. And I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.